What a mess. It's sitting on all the palm trees too. This is a Coast Redwood tree. Look at that. Flattened those palms right out, damn it. Busted the fence and smashed the greenhouse. So anyway, that's one piece of it off. I did get it off the greenhouse. Now I just got to clean up the mess on these palms here. I mean, these are big trees. I planted these nearly 3 decades ago, and you can see it's missing a chunk out of that one now. All right, thanks for watching, folks. That's storm damage, wind damage to a Coast Redwood tree on Salt Spring Island.